Hey hi, how are you? My name is Anjal and I welcome you to this quick tutorial for this beautiful song called How Deep Is Your Love by Bee Gees. Now this entire song is pretty easy. We have only 4 to 5 major lines to learn and after that the entire song just repeats itself. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the song and see how it goes. Okay, now before we start with the song, few basic things for you to understand. Number one, whenever you are keeping your fingers, just try to saturate them as much as possible. What I mean by that is the first finger is mostly for the first fret. When you see a 2, it is supposed to be your second finger. 3 is for the third, 4 is for the fourth finger. If you try to play everything with just 1 or 2 fingers, you might make this song very difficult for you. Now, once that we have that sorted, let's dive right into it. The first line of the song goes something like this. So, we have let's break that down. So we start with the 1 3 on the fourth string. So the 1 3 again first finger for the 1 3 for the third finger. So we have 1 3, then you have 0 0 third string, then again 1 3, and then you have 0 again on the third string, and you end it on the 1. Okay, so that part. Next part we have 2 3 again on the fourth string, then we have 0 1 on the third, a little pause, and then you again have 1 1, and then you do the 3 on the fourth string again, then you have 0 on the third string, 1 on the third string, and the 3 again on the fourth string. So this section we have very good. Next one. Next we start on the third string 0 1 3. So we have, and then you have 3 3 0 3. Then you have 1 on the second string. Then you have 3 on the third string again, and then 0, and then 1 on the fourth string. And then the next part we just do 1 3 again, this time on the fourth string, 0 on the third. Then you have 1 1 1 4 times, then 3, and then 0 on the third string only, and then the 3 comes on the fourth string. Very good. So if I play you this part back again, very slowly goes something like this. So we have okay, very good. Next line. The next line goes something like this. Very slowly we have okay, let's break that down. So we start on the fourth string, we do 1 1. So we have, then you can either go down for the next one on the second string, or if you want, you can just bar everything all the way down from the fourth to the second. That way you don't really have to move anything. But let's say making a bar chord is a little too much, then you don't have to. You can always move the finger down or use one more finger there if you need to. So this part again, so we have 1 1 on the fourth, Then you have 1 on the second string. Then you again have 1 on the second string, and again 1 on the second string. Then you have 4 1 also on the second string, and then you have 1 on the first string. If you already have a bar, you're already holding it. Otherwise, move it 1 more down for that 1 there. Next, we have 3 on the second string. Then you have 3 on the third string. Then again 3. And then you have 1 4. Then you have again 1. All on the second string. Then you have 3 1. Like that. And then you have 3 0 3. Then you have 0. Again, everything is on the third string only. Okay, then you have again 0 there. Then you have 3 on the fourth. And then you have 1 3. I know it's a lot of notes. 0 3 on the third string. 1 4 on the second string. And then you have 3 on the first string. And then you just end it like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let me play that back very slowly. If you read it, it's a lot more easier. Okay, so just look for the pauses. So very slowly, one more time, it goes like this. So we have okay, that brings us to your last 2 lines of the song. Pretty easy, shorter than before, so that's good. Goes something like this. So the third line we have, starting on the 3 of the third string, we go. Let's break that down. So we start again on the 3 of the third string, and again 1 2 3 4 for the fingers. Okay, so we have 3 on the third string, 4 for the pinky on the second, 3 again, this time on the second string only, then 1 second string. You kind of repeat the same thing, so you again have a 3, then you again have 4 3 1. Okay, then you go 3 again. This time you go 1 4 on the second string, then 3 is on the first string. You have 4 3 1 on the first string, then you have 3 4. Everything is first string to the 6 6 6. Okay, 5 times to the 8 and back to 6. Okay, let's play that back again very slowly. We have from the 3 of the third string, we go. Very good. Next line, very slowly, goes something like this. We have let's break that down. So we start again, everything is pretty much on the first string. We start with the 6 only. We are doing 6 8 9 6. Okay, then you again have 6 8 9. This time stop on the 9. Then you have again 9. Then you have 8 6. Then 6 4. Then you have 4 6 7. Stop on the 7. You have 7 6. Then you have 4 and then 3. Very good. Okay, let's play that back very slowly. We have very well done, and that actually completes your song. Now to join it back, we just add 2 open strings on the third and we just start everything again. Okay, so if I just play you that section, how to just join everything. The last part on the 4 we are doing like that, and you pretty much keep going. Okay, and you do everything all the way back to that last section where you again do, and you end it on the 3, and that will actually complete the song. Okay, now that we have the song, let's head towards our play along. But before we go there, in case there are any sections, any parts that you still do not understand, then please do feel free to go back, rewatch the video, and make sure you are very well set with it. Now, if we are all good with the song, then let's head towards our play along and see how the song goes. I really hope that you were able to play the song in its entirety and it was as beautiful as the song already is. Now, in case you still have any doubts, any queries, any suggestions or song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. If you really like this video, then do not forget to hit that thumbs up button as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. If you wanna see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go. And I will see you again with a new video, new song made specially for you. For today, this is all from my side. Have fun, take care. Bye-bye.